Good morning, class. It is theorem number 14. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding medians. Let ABC and DEF are two similar triangles and EM and DN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. It is AM and it is DN. These are medians. Now we have to prove that the ratio of the area of triangle ABC and DEF means area triangle ABC and area triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides, means corresponding medians, EM square by DN square. We have to prove this term. Now to prove in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, because triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Since triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar, then their corresponding angles and corresponding sides, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Now since EM and DN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle DEF, then M and N are the midpoint of BC and EF, means BM equal 1 by 2 BC and EN equal 1 by 2, EN equal half EF. Now since we have by DE is equal to BC by EF, then BC by EF divide and multiply by 1 by 2. We have 1 by 2 BC, 1 by 2 EF, and 1 by 2 BC means half of BC. EM is median, then it divides BC in two equal parts, BM and MC. Then half BC can be written as BM, and similarly half EF can be written as EN. Now in triangle ABM and triangle DEN, AB by DE is equal to BM by EN, and angle B is equal to angle E. Means in triangle ABM and DEN, AB by DE equal BM by EN, and the angle including this side means angle B is equal to angle E. Then by condition of similarity, we have triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN. Then corresponding side of triangle ABM and DEN are proportional. AB by DE is equal to EM by DN. Now since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then by previous theorem we know that the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Means area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square equal BC square by EF square is equal AC square by DF square. Means the ratio of the area of two similar triangles are similar, then ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Since AB by DE is equal AM by DN, then put the value of AB by DE is equal AM by DN. Then we have area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal, put the value of AB by D, we have AM square by DN square, and it is proved.